Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to flip camera on Omegle on iPhone. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to flip your camera on Omegle? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so this is a step-by-step guide to flip camera on Omegle iPhone. You must use the Opera browser. Take note, the Opera browser for iPhone if you have an iPhone. The Apple App Store is where you can download the Opera web browser for your iPhone. So once you've downloaded your Opera app, on your iPhone, you can also choose the Omegle camera in a few Safari browser versions. But again, the Opera browser on your iPhone is the best. So open the Omegle website in the Safari browser or we call that Opera browser, and then select Flip Camera under Settings in the top right corner. It's in the top right corner. All of your iPhone's cameras are now visible. Select the desired camera by switching to it. So older iPhone models can be used with the technique we have described, and use the Opera browser on the new iPhone and follow the instructions with the same thing for Android. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.